Victory. Well, one small victory, but it's out. This support was a pain. I actually couldn't get the bolt to come loose. I couldn't get my big impact on it, so that didn't help, but I ended up having to cut it with my little tiny sawzall, but it got it done. We can see a lot more now, just like that. It's like there's some heat wrap stuck in there, but that's awesome. I'll work on fenders, hood next, after I poke around a little bit, since I haven't been able to see the motor like this. Just been poking my head past the radiator, so this is pretty cool. Up next, I got some of the wires pulled out. The modules, whatever you want to call them, that were in there, relays and boxes. So I'm gonna go take a break for a bit because I'm trying not to get burned out like I always do. If I get frustrated, I'm taking breaks, and I'm just having a good time doing this. I'm not trying to hurry because I know it's going to take me, quite some time. I'm not trying to do this halfway. I want this thing to be restored like new, or as at least new as I can get it, because show truck quality would be my goal. So it's stuck in the garage for the long haul, so it's break time now. Alright, trying to get the hood off of this thing. I got a couple little pulleys to help me do it. That one's actually holding it up right now. I got that side off okay. A little bit of a pain because in these fenders there's these little retainers to make it so you don't have to get to the bolts on the inside to take the hood off, but this thing's rusty and they're just coming apart. I was able to get this one on the back side I just could not get to, so I ended up cutting the fender open, which is probably fine anyway because I think they need to be replaced since they're so rusty. Just keep pushing on it. Hood's up. Got these pulleys and ropes holding it up. I might throw some ratchet straps up there just for some extra safety. Getting more and more room. Here's my cut. I had to cut a bolt too. This thing was a fighter. Needs new inner fenders, but that's not too bad. They're only like 90 bucks a piece. More progress though. Stay tuned. Look at this filth. I started scraping off a little bit, but I have got a lot to do. This thing has not been cleaned in forever. Found an oil leak. Wow. Talk about dirty. Check out the amount of dirt and grease that has come out of this thing already.
I didn't find it on you.
First scraping of mud and dirt. Little brother's here.
What?
Hi. I'm not taking a picture. It's a video. Oh. Hi. I thought you wanted to be in a video.
This is his own
Oh my gosh.